Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. You know, fine lines and wrinkles on the face, we would all like those to just go away instantly and never come back. Unfortunately, that's not the way it usually works, but there are some actual products that can help erase fine lines and wrinkles, even deep ones, temporarily taking 10 to 15 years off the look of your face. Now, I've reviewed a lot of these on the channel. I'm going to tell you how to actually use them properly so you get the best effects. So let's get the hair out of the face, because the forehead is one of the areas that these products work on really, really well. Now, as I said, I have reviewed many of these type of products here on the channel. But today, for this demonstration, I'm going to be using my own personal skincare formula, Vanishing Act Line Filler from my very small skincare line. For two very important reasons. First, it does instantly hide or erase fine lines and wrinkles and deeper lines and creases. The second reason is because this particular formulation, a botanical formulation, actually helps improve the look of fine lines and wrinkles over time while it works. So it's a multi-acting product in that it helps improve skin immediately and helps improve the look of fine lines and wrinkles over time. Again, I'm not going to review this product, but if you stick around after this demonstration, I will attach the review for this product to this video, so you don't have to go find it. You can just keep watching, and I'll put a timestamp there so that you can find it, come back and watch the demonstration and go right back. And for those of you who are watching the video today, there will be a link and a coupon code down below in the video description box for this product to save 30% on it through the end of July. All right, so let's get started. The benefit of these products is to instantly reduce the visibility of fine lines and wrinkles. And most of the products that do this, including mine, contain silicates, which help blend out, reflect light back out from the face evenly so that the deeper fine lines and wrinkles are actually invisible. But this particular product also has microspheres that fill in those lines, pulling in moisture throughout the day to help plump those fine lines and wrinkles out, even the deeper creases, so that they look better and better as the day goes on. So the way you want to apply this is always after your other skincare products that you're using during the day. It needs to go on last because it needs to be able to reflect that light back evenly, and it needs to be able to fill in those fine lines and wrinkles. Now, the wonderful thing about this particular formulation is it works very, very well with foundations. You can either mix some of it into your foundation and apply it. We'll do the same thing. Or you can apply a thin layer of it over your foundation before you're setting powder. So we just want to take a little bit, doesn't take very much, and we want to apply it to the areas of the skin where wrinkles and fine lines are apparent, which is usually everyone's forehead and around the eye area, just under the eyelid and the crow's feet. And then we want to pat that in. And just give it a minute or two to absorb. Now, it does have a slight tightening effect on the skin that you will feel as you use it, but the instant benefit is a matte finish that is now filled in those fine lines and wrinkles and will begin pulling in moisture and plumping those areas out throughout the day. So again, skin's going to look better and better as time goes on. Now, if you are using a wrinkle filler of any kind, another brand or my formulation, I really do recommend for sunscreen, you use something like a powdered sunscreen. This is Brush on Block by Color Science, one of my favorites. It's a powdered sunscreen with a brush that you can just brush the sunscreen on. Which still allows you to have the reflecting and plumping effect of the line filler without messing it up by applying a liquid or cream sunscreen. Now, if you are using a liquid or cream sunscreen, that's just fine. You just need to make sure you apply the line filler after the sunscreen. It actually really does need to go on last to give you that great looking wrinkle-free skin. Again, links below in the video description box. And up next, the full review on Vanishing Act Line Filler. Hey everybody, a short video today. I don't usually do videos on Mondays, but I've been getting a lot of questions about some of the skincare products that are in my own personal signature line. Now, I do have a small line of skincare. This is not a big thing. I don't talk about it on the channel a lot because it's very small quantities that we're working on developing. And someday, yes, I will put out a full skincare line. But I do have some products available. And the one I keep getting questions about is this one, which is Vanishing Act wrinkle filler. Now, I have reviewed wrinkle fillers on the channel before. This is not one of those drying, tightening type of fillers. This is actually a deep hydration wrinkle filler that actually makes your wrinkles look better and better and better as you go through the day. So it's really a non-invasive way to help plump up the skin, plump out fine lines and wrinkles and crow's feet, especially effective around the eyes, but it is deeply hydrating, and that is how it works. There are actually hydration spheres in this formula that sink down into the upper layers of the skin using hyaluronic acid molecules to draw moisture in, not just to the surface of your skin, but deeper into the layers of the skin. So your skin becomes more hydrated as you move through the day, which is sort of a new type of technology that we've been working on. It's very light. It works well across skin types. Let me show you what it looks like here. It takes a very tiny amount of this product to put on the skin. You just pat it in after cleansing and after serums. So if you're using vitamin C serum or a retinol serum at night and you want to use this before you go out, it makes an excellent skin plumping hydrator. I can actually feel it working on my skin right now. You can also apply your favorite moisturizer over it or cosmetics. It works very, very well. Again, this is not one of those clay silicate based products that tightens the skin and you can't use anything on top of it or it won't work. But again, I wanted to jump on here today and answer some questions about this because it's just easier since I've had so many. Now, the product is available at Clear Revolution Skincare. I will put a link down below in the video description box with a special code so you can save some money on this product from watching this video. Keeping in mind, these are in very limited supply, as are all the products that I am developing. But as of now, they have a sufficient amount of this product on hand, so it shouldn't be one of those sellout issues. Again, it's a Vanishing Act wrinkle filler. It is a product that I have developed to help plump out the outer layers of the skin, to help erase fine lines and wrinkles, and to actually give your skin a better look as you move throughout the day. So that's what makes this product unique. Now, for those of you who are already a part of my community at Skin So Fabulous, which is my blog, you know about these products already. So feel free to use the same coupon code below if you decide to use this. Please come back to the channel as always with any product that I review and let us know how it works for you. And another thing I want to add is a huge thank you to all of you who share out the information for this channel, because last month we added over 11,000 subscribers. The channel is almost at 200,000 subscribers. It's just hard for me to really wrap my head around that there are that many of you, but there are a lot of you who are new. So again, check out my blog, Skin So Fabulous. It's free. You're able to direct message me with questions and I'm able to get to them much easier than I am in the comment section on YouTube. And a whole lot of other extra things happen on that blog and the blog communities. We give away tons of skincare every single month. I also share updates on studies on skincare, and everything is organized over there and easy to find, videos included. And best of all, it's free to sign up. And for even more ways to roll back the clock on your skin aging, check out this video that's coming up next. Thank you guys so much for watching and supporting the channel. I love you guys so much for spreading the word about what we're doing here on the channel. I really, really appreciate it. Stay beautiful, subscribe if you haven't, and I will see you over on that next video.